Michelle Romano here with the Elite Home Sales team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'm beyond excited about our new listing located in Arvada. The address is 6506 Torrey Court. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom standalone home. You're located on a cul-de-sac. You're right next to North Table Mountain, and you have about 2,000 square feet finished. Can't wait to show you around. Let's go take a look. As you can see, this home has been updated from top to finish, from the flooring to the lighting to the appliances, even the furnace. So I'd love to have you come take a look for yourself. I'm going to have an open house this Saturday, March 30th from 12 to 2. Otherwise, give me a call and I'll set up a private showing. See you then.